Hello everyone, this is the part 3 of ongoing Azure interview series Azure Managed Disk. So let's see that in today's video what and all question can be asked in the interview. Please watch this video carefully and try to understand the concept. So the question can be asked is what is IOPS? So interviewer can ask you this basic question so that they can understand that you are quite familiar with the basic concepts. So you have to answer in this way that IOPS is input output per second. It means the number of requests our application is sending to storage disk in 1 second. So immediately interviewer can ask you one counter question that have you used IOmeter? So you have to answer in this way that yes, I have used IOmeter to compare between two different disk type like A series VM and D series VM, and I have run the IOmeter to check the average IO response time and total IO per second. And after the test I found that D series VM is having more total IOs per second compared to A series VM, because D series is having SSD and A series is having HDD. The next question can be asked is what is throughput? What is latency? So these are also the basic concepts that you should know. An interviewer can ask you to check that you know the basic concepts or not. So you have to answer in this way that throughput means the amount of data that our application is sending to the storage in a given time. Basically the formula is IOPS into IO size is equals to throughput. And what is latency in Azure Disk? So you have to answer in this way that application receives a single request and then it will send it to the storage and then send the response back to client. The total time it takes for this process is called latency in disk. The next question can be asked is that this is like one troubleshooting question, and the question is how can we troubleshoot Azure Disk performance issues, and you have to explain briefly. Interviewer can ask you that briefly you explain how do you troubleshoot Azure Disk performance issues. So answer should be like this. We can use storage diagnostics, Azure Monitor and log analytics to troubleshoot disk performance issues. Diagnostic metric should be enabled at storage level. We have to monitor the ingress egress traffic, and in Azure Monitor we have to select metrics feature, and from there select the OS disk or data disk and then select disk read or write byte per second. And the next is in log analytics we can run query like disk transfer per second to view the IOPS status of a disk. We can further drill down to logical disk level to get better insights. So this is how we have to do the troubleshooting for Azure Disk performance issues. So this is the end of part 3 of Azure Disk. I hope that this video will be useful for your interview preparation. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.